Hello everyone. I made this bouquet for all the birthdays this month. For my sister Mars and for my friend Ike in at the Bay Area, and also my friend Maria in Maui, and also my good friend Larry and Emmy in our subdivision, and to all of you guys that are celebrating your birthdays this month, this week. Wishing you all a very happy birthday. And these are all fresh from my yard. I love making bouquets. This is the reason why I created my YouTube, so I can share with you what I love to do when my husband goes to work, especially this time during the pandemic. I get lonely at times because I can't visit my family and friends. There's no more social dancing, And this has helped me cope during the pandemic, and I'm sharing it with you all. And thank you to all of you that subscribe to my channel, and to those of you who haven't subscribed yet. If you like what I do, please click the subscribe button, and don't forget to click the bell so you get notified of new videos. And look at this, nature made this so pretty. I love it. This is my Anthurium, and that's my iris, and this is my triangular palm that I braided. Yeah, I love sharing what I do. I love to dance. If I'm not making bouquets, I'm dancing or yogaing or doing isometric exercises on lava rocks. Stay safe and healthy, everyone. Take care for now. Bye-bye. I love it. I'm so grateful that I don't have to buy these flowers. Bye-bye for now. Aloha.